let this board confuse you. Here is how a breadboard actually works in 45 seconds. See these long outer rows marked plus and minus? Electricity flows horizontally across the entire line. But the middle rows are different. These letters and numbers flow vertically in short strips of 5. This middle gap cuts the board in half, letting you bridge components safely without shorting your circuit. In video 2, we are blowing up our first virtual LED to learn Ohm's law. Hit follow to learn with me.